Ever created a clothing product that sells really well, only for the next drop to totally fail? I've seen brands repeat the same mistakes and are forced to quit altogether, but since helping T-Up totally reignite their community from the dead, I can confidently say that there is a better way. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how the 3-step bounce back strategy works so you can build hype without having to rely on paid ads or crappy influencers. But first, why did your last drop fail in the first place? Because if you know, you can prevent it from ever happening again. And the reason might surprise you. Think of your clothing brand like a fire. Once your community is blazing, you can step back and just add a log every now and then to keep it going. But in the beginning, it's not so hands-off. You have to carefully stack the logs, use fire starters, and watch it very closely. If you step away too soon, you'll come back to cold embers and dry logs. So what does this have to do with your brand? Well, if you launch new products before your community is truly burning, nobody is going to buy. You have to nurture that spark, build the heat, and then only then add a new log, which is your next drop. But how do you do that? Well, there are 3 easy steps any clothing brand can take to reignite their community, and the first one will show you what to do with leftover stock and recover as painlessly as possible. Here's how it works. Most brands leave their leftover stock to rot in their garage. Some brands run paid ads to get rid of the last of it, but the margins are so low that it's barely even worth it. So there's an even better way than simply moving on to the next drop without a second thought. And it's by using a giveaway to get extremely targeted followers that will eventually become buyers in future drops. Have a look at this brand, for example. With just one giveaway post, they gained 2.2 times more followers that month than their average for that entire year. So when you make your own giveaway post, in the caption, say something like, tag the most or the best or the worst or the biggest, and then insert a describing word about who you want. For example, if you're a skate streetwear brand, you might say, tag the best skater you know. Or maybe you're a brand for party animals and you want to be a little playful. You could say, tag the worst beer pong partner you know. What this does is causes followers to tag others that also align with your brand lifestyle. So you attract customers that buy again and again and again, not just random followers. But this means almost nothing if you stop there. So step 2 could turn your failed drop into the best thing that's ever happened to you. Because now you have all of these new targeted followers coming through, you're going to direct message every single one and start a conversation. In fact, when my client Divine came to me about growing a more loyal community for his brand T-Up, we implemented this very strategy, and here's what he said.
I'd often ask people what their dreams and aspirations were, what they'd like to achieve in life, and the response I'd get, some people would be very surprised that a brand owner is messaging them, and a lot of the responses were very positive. People became very honest, it even boosted engagement because now people that I've spoken to are commenting. I didn't start doing it and then drop afterwards, but as I started doing it, I already had products out, and those products, they quickly left the shelves. Yeah, from the people I speak to, they just say, oh yeah, I forgot to buy it. Obviously, whether that's true or not, I don't know, but they just started buying it just from me speaking to people, specific people.
So just like Divine, start the conversation with the simple message like, hey, I noticed you were new here. What prompted you to follow? But you can take this one step further to get some free content from your followers, and let me show you how. My client Gian runs a Christian brand for creatives, and every time he got a new follower, he DM'd them and asked, what does our brand message mean to you? And the responses was so inspiring and personal that Gian just asked if he could make a short video sharing exactly what they told him. And they posted the videos as a collaboration to appear on both his brand account and their personal page. And what happened next was shocking. His brand page following increased by more than 50% in just 2 weeks. The engagement rate was through the roof, and we had people leaving comments like inspirational and this series is awesome. And to do this for your own brand, the trick here is to keep it simple. If you're asking your followers to create a feature film, it's not going to go down too well. But if it's something as simple as pointing the camera and speaking about something they already know, this will be much easier. And if you don't have an ultra specific and clear brand message like Gion, you could very easily ask them to share some advice, some tips, or another related story instead. Just pick something that actually relates to your brand. And if you're like Gion or Divine with more than 1,000 Instagram followers and are ready to take the next step of turning your following into repeat buyers, then this is for you. I work one-on-one with clothing brands to help them build a community of raving fans. There's a link in the description that tells you more about how.
Yeah, if you're sitting on the edge, then if you feel like you need help in any sort of way, then it's just something you need to do if you want to grow, honestly.
On to step 3. Now we want to take advantage of these new followers off the back of your giveaway and your content. And the way that most brands have done this in the past is by creating an email list. But the issue here is that no one really signs up. And when they do, it doesn't create much hype at all. So to solve this, smart brands created something like a Discord server or just some kind of space where they can announce early releases and build hype for their drop. But that's difficult, so a much more simple solution is to create an Instagram group chat with your core customers. It serves much the same function and you can set it up in a single day. And here's how I do it. Put out a story announcing the group and ask for applications, which is really just a bit of a fun way to see who's interested. And the game is simple. Those with the funniest story replies get invited. And as they start flowing, repost a screenshot of their reply with a poll asking your community to vote on whether or not you should let them in. About 24 hours later, you can let everyone in and they'll start chatting about whatever they please. But it's on the lead up to your next drop when this strategy shows its true potential. Before your next drop, hang out in the chat 1 hour before your next drop and simply engage with the people. And what you've built here is essentially an SMS list disguised as something else that customers will actually read and pay attention to. But here's the thing, just because you have some more followers and a group chat strategy doesn't mean you're suddenly going to sell out. Because without good marketing, you will still struggle to get rid of stock. So watch the short breakdown video on screen now where I show you exactly how to make one specific post that's helped brands sell out their clothing drops. The best part is that literally any brand of any size can make this. So watch it now, go and make it if you like the idea and see the fruits in your own brand. I'll see you over there.